Wolfcraft is known for its high-quality, innovative tools that help both professionals and hobbyists work more efficiently and precisely. From cutting guides to workbenches and drilling accessories, Wolfcraft offers a range of products designed to simplify even the most challenging tasks. In this video, we'll explore 25 of the best Wolfcraft tools that stand out for their durability, functionality, and clever design. Whether you're upgrading your workshop or just looking for that next game-changing tool, these picks are worth checking out. The Wolfcraft Universal Angle and Tri-Square is a super handy tool for woodworking, metalworking, and general construction. It's designed to make measuring and marking easy and precise, combining multiple functions like a tri-square, miter square, protractor, and marking gauge, all in one compact tool. Built with durable materials like aluminum or stainless steel, it's made to last while delivering accurate results. It's perfect for marking and measuring angles from 0 to 90 degrees, helping you achieve clean cuts, precise joints, and accurate layouts. One of its best features is its ability to lock angles securely, making sure your measurements stay consistent every time. Plus, with both metric and imperial units on its scale, it works for all kinds of projects. It even has cutouts and scribing notches to make marking and transferring dimensions a breeze. Whether you're a pro carpenter, a DIYer, or just someone who enjoys working on projects, this tool boosts efficiency and accuracy. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, even for long periods. Reliable, versatile, and precise. The Wolfcraft Universal Angle and Tri-Square is a must-have for any workshop or toolbox. The Wolfcraft sanding block is a handy and durable tool that makes sanding a breeze for various tasks. Measuring 67 by 97 by 25 millimeters, it's compact but provides a good surface area for sanding different materials. Made with tough silicium carbide abrasive, it's built to handle heavy-duty sanding. The block is water resistant, so it works well for both dry and wet sanding. Its flexible design and high-quality diamond grit helps you get smooth, even results, even on curved or uneven surfaces. Whether you're sanding wood, metal, or other materials, this sanding block offers a reliable and efficient way to achieve a polished finish. Its ergonomic size and flexibility make it a must-have for both professionals and DIYers. The Wolfcraft Plasterboard Cutter is a super handy tool designed to make cutting plasterboard quick and easy. With a cutting length of up to 90 centimeters, it's perfect for tackling large boards. The cutter's sturdy build helps you make smooth, straight cuts without the need for a traditional saw. It comes with a rail for extra stability and includes two types of blades: a trapezium blade for regular cuts and a hook blade for scoring and clean breaks. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, this cutter is a great choice. It's easy to use, gives you fast results, and keeps the mess to a minimum. Ideal for both small home projects and bigger renovations, this tool is compact, durable, and a must-have in your toolkit. For transporting heavy items, the Wolfcraft Furniture Dolly is a versatile and durable solution. Made from durable birch plywood with a multi-layered, waterproof construction, it's built to last and withstand wear. The dolly features 4x2 ball-bearing casters on each board, making it easy to move heavy loads smoothly. It has a flexible load area that can be adjusted to fit different sizes of items. With an ergonomic grip bar, you can quickly convert it into a flat trolley or panel cart, carrying up to 150 kilograms. It also has a stopper and 4 non-slip rests to keep everything secure during transport. The plastic wheels add to its ease of use, and it's proudly made in Europe. Whether you're moving furniture or other heavy goods, this dolly offers a reliable and efficient way to get the job done. The Wolfcraft hand stapler is designed for effortless operation, making it the perfect tool for a variety of household tasks and hobbies. For sorting paperwork or working on DIY projects, it gives you a smooth and stress-free experience. It works with type 053 staples, ranging from 4 to 14 millimeters, so you've got flexibility for all your stapling needs. A standout feature is the hinged cartridge staple pusher, which makes loading and unloading staples a breeze, cutting down on downtime. Plus, the stapler has a handy staple slider for quick refills, so you can stay focused on the job. This stapler is perfect for both newbies and experienced crafters, providing reliable performance with minimal effort. Its compact, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, and its sturdy build means it'll last. Whether you're stapling paper, fabric, or other materials, the Wolfcraft hand stapler offers consistent results and convenience, making it a must-have tool in any home kit. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge is a handy tool that helps make measuring and cutting angles more accurate and efficient. With its 2 plastic legs, it can measure wall angles from 30 to 180 degrees, offering lots of versatility. The gauge has an eccentric lever to securely lock the angle, even in tight spots, making it ideal for working in cramped spaces. Its telescopic corner calipers give you precise measurements for outside corners, perfect for tricky angles. The 2 built-in magnets allow you to easily attach it to a saw blade, helping you line up angles on a miter saw for smoother cuts. Plus, the automatic angle bisector ensures your miter cuts are spot on, cutting down on mistakes and speeding up the job. It also includes a foldable stop, so you can quickly mark angles on your workpiece. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, the Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge is designed to save you time, reduce errors, and improve the quality of your work. It's a practical, easy-to-use tool for anyone who needs precision in their projects. The Wolfcraft Diamond Cutting Disc is a fantastic tool for making precise, easy cuts through materials like granite, stoneware, tile, and ceramic. It operates smoothly and provides great cutting stability, making it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. At just 1.4 mm thick, the disc is super thin, allowing for fast, efficient cuts without sacrificing quality. The cutting edge has a unique honeycomb design that boosts its performance and durability. With a cutting speed of up to 80 meters per second, it delivers clean, quick cuts, even through tough materials. The reinforced flange adds an extra layer of safety during use. Its 10 mm segment height ensures top-notch cutting power, making it ideal for tough jobs. All in all, the Wolfcraft Diamond Cutting Disc is a reliable, high-performing tool that guarantees smooth, fast, and precise cuts on various stone and ceramic surfaces. The Wolfcraft Japanese Saw is a versatile and high-performing tool, perfect for cutting materials like baseboards, wood, wooden beams, branches, and plastic pipes. It has a double-edged blade, which makes it great for both fine and rough cuts. The saw is especially useful when paired with Wolfcraft's bevel and miter boxes, thanks to its thin, flexible blade that ensures easy and accurate cutting. The blade features 2 types of teeth: fine 17 teeth per inch for smooth, detailed cuts, and coarse 8 teeth per inch for quicker, rougher cuts. The long ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, reducing hand strain during long use. Plus, the saw can be taken apart without extra tools, making it easy to store. Made from high-quality tool steel and featuring Japan's precision toothing, this saw is reliable and durable, making it a solid choice for both DIYers and professionals. Whether you're cutting wood, plastic, or other materials, it offers great precision, comfort, and convenience in one tool. The Wolfcraft Wood Renovation Kit is a handy 7-piece set designed to make outdoor wood surface restoration a breeze. It has everything you need for sanding, polishing, and finishing, providing a complete solution for wood renovation. The kit includes 2 flap wheel burnishing mops that work great for sanding both large and small surfaces, including contours, thanks to their flexible material that makes material removal easy. There's also a corner sander that helps you get into those tricky spots that are hard to reach. One of the best features is the Easy Fix sanding sheets, which make changing sandpaper quick and simple, reducing downtime. Plus, the burnishing pad is designed for finishing, adapting to the shape of the wood for a smooth, polished finish. Whether you're working on furniture, decking, or other outdoor wood surfaces, this kit makes the job easier and faster while delivering professional results. It's a perfect choice for both DIYers and pros, providing all the tools you need for top-quality wood restoration and upkeep. For making precise and easy cuts on gypsum plasterboard, the Wolfcraft T-Square Parallel Cutter is a great tool. It simplifies the cutting process with 3 simple steps. Score along a guide edge, snap the board, and cut through the cardboard. The adjustable T-square lets you make cuts at any angle between 0 and 180 degrees, ensuring accuracy. It also has a built-in scale for precise measurements, reducing the need for extra filling and sanding after cutting. The tool comes with a sharp trapezium blade for making multiple guided cuts in a row. To use it, just attach the cutter to the carriage, extend the blade, guide it along the T-square, snap the board, and finish the cut with the cutter knife. Its durable anodized aluminum surface is resistant to corrosion, making it long-lasting. With a cutting width of up to 970 millimeters and a length of 1,000 millimeters, it's perfect for various cutting tasks. Overall, this versatile tool is ideal for anyone who wants clean, accurate cuts on gypsum plasterboard with minimal effort. The Wolfcraft MG600 caulking gun is a tough, reliable tool designed for all sorts of sealing and bonding jobs. With a strong 280 kilograms contact pressure, it can handle thick materials like adhesives, sealants, silicone, and acrylic. Built with durable fiberglass reinforced plastic, it's made to last, even with heavy use. The hardened push bar adds extra strength, making it perfect for demanding tasks. It also has an ergonomic handle that's comfortable to hold, reducing strain during long projects. Compatible with all 310 milliliter cartridges, the MG600 is versatile and easy to work with, and you can swap out cartridges quickly without a hassle. Whether you're sealing joints or applying sealants, this caulking gun is a great choice for both professionals and DIYers, providing smooth, controlled material flow for excellent results. So that's a wrap on the 25 best Wolfcraft tools you need to see. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more updates.